How strong is your vocabulary? Really? 25 definitions, pick the right word. Only legends score 100%. Let's see if you're one of them. Question 1. Which word means to feel very happy and excited? Question 2. Which word means to say sorry for something you did? Question 3. Which word means not on time? Question 4. Which word means to strongly suggest that someone does something? Question 5. Which word means a person who watches a show or a game? Question 6. Which word means easy to understand or simple? Knowing definitions is great, but speaking is a whole different game. If you freeze when it's time to talk, From Stuck to Fluent gives you 500 ready-to-use phrases in a 30-day plan. Link in the description. Question 7. Which word means to give up something you enjoy for a good reason? Question 8. What does reliable mean? Question 9. Which word means very tired? Question 10. Which word means to make something better? Question 11. What does stubborn mean? Question 12. Which word means the opposite of generous? Question 13. Which word means to happen or take place? Question 14. What does ambitious mean? Question 15. Which word means to officially stop working at a certain age? Question 16. What does overwhelmed mean? Question 17. Which word means to make a journey or trip? Question 18. What does genuine mean? Question 19. Which word means not allowed by law? Question 20. What does hesitate mean? Question 21. Which word means very large or great in size? Question 22. What does empathy mean? Question 23. Which word means to get or obtain something? Question 24. What does resilient mean? Question 25. Which word means to express disagreement with something? "25 definitions done. Are you a legend or do you need more practice? Either way, drop your score in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for a new quiz every day. Catch you in the next one.